Are you guys eagering for the next big move of AI? Today, we will introduce you with something that will open up your eye called the new update of Amazon. Amazon is making a bold move by replacing its Alexa AI with Anthropic's Claude, having the aim to create the remarkable Alexa. This new version promises more natural, advanced conversations to its user, but comes with a twist. It'll be offered as a paid subscription service, which will costing in between $5 to $10 per month. The decision to switch from Amazon's own AI to Claude wasn't taken lightly, since the internal testing revealed that Amazon's AI struggled with response times and sometimes lagging up to 6 or 7 seconds, an eternity in today's fast-paced world. In contrast, Anthropic's Claude model excelled in tests that leads to Amazon to invest $4 billion in the San Francisco-based AI research company. This partnership signals a shift in Amazon's strategy, as the company typically builds its own technology from the ground up. So, what can you expect from this new remarkable Alexa? Amazon claims that it will offer you with more complex and context-aware interactions, such as giving shopping advice or handling multi-step tasks from a single command. Imagine asking Alexa to order a pizza, draft an email, and set a reminder, all at once. However, these advanced features come at a cost, literally. The introduction of a paid version of Alexa is a gamble, especially when many users have enjoyed the service for free. Now, the question may arise in your mind is, why is Amazon doing this? It's all about turning Alexa from a cost center into a revenue-generating machine. With over 500 million Alexa has enabled devices sold, from which Amazon hopes that even if 10% of its 100 million active users opt for the paid version, it could generate $600 million in annual revenue. But with competition from other tech giants like Microsoft and Apple, who are integrating AI like ChatGPT into their products, Amazon felt the pressure to step up its game. Beyond Alexa's functionality, Amazon is also making strides in AI robotics and internal AI tools. The company's internal AI assistant, Amazon Q, has already saved $260 million by automating repetitive tasks, while its acquisition of robotics startup Covariant shows a commitment to revolutionizing warehouse operations with AI-powered robots. However, it is clear that Amazon is betting big on AI, from improving Alexa to enhancing its own internal processes and advancing the robotics genre. This means we're likely to see more AI in our daily lives, whether through smarter voice assistants, more automated homes, or faster services. But with these advancements come questions about privacy, data security, and the impact on our daily routines. So, what do you think? Is Amazon's move to a paid, AI-enhanced Alexa worth it? Or should they keep the service free and find other ways to generate revenue? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI and tech updates.